Good morning everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you with today's segment student. Today we are starting a new chapter 5, and it is related to periodic classification of elements. Yes students, elements are put on the different groups and the periods according to their chemical properties. And with the help of the classification of the element, we can easily find them. So to classify the elements, there are the major attempts were given by the different scientists. Like the first major attempt that was given by John Wolfgang Daubernier. And what he did student, he categorized the elements into groups, and he made the group of three elements, and all those elements have the similar chemical properties. And in this student, the middle elements, atomic mass is the average of other two elements. It is the property of the Daubernier triads. Means he made the group of three elements, and all those elements have the similar chemical properties. And in this, the middle elements atomic mass is the average of other two elements. Like it is the first group or first triad, LINAC, lithium, sodium and potassium. It is the second triad, calcium, strontium and barium. And it is third triad, chlorine, bromine and iodine. If we observe their chemical properties student, then they have the similar chemical properties. And with this student, this middle element atomic mass is the average of other two elements. Similar in this triad, similar in this the strontium have the average atomic mass of other two elements, means the atomic mass of calcium and barium. Like this, in this bromine have the average atomic mass of the chlorine and iodine student. So like this, the Daubernier classified the element. And what is the base of this classification student? It is atomic mass. Atomic mass means they have the basic criteria that they took to classify the elements is atomic mass or atomic weight student, atomic weight. Now next is Newland's law of octave student, Newland law of octave. This law was given by John Newland student. He was a English chemist, and he gave the law of octave. According to this student, if the elements are arranged in horizontal rows like hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, this fluorine will come here, fluorine, sodium. So what will be happen in this? The first element chemical property will be similar to the eighth element chemical property. Like it is the first number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Means hydrogen have the similar property as fluorine, lithium have the similar property as sodium. According to the musical melody, means this law of octave can be also called as the law of musical melody student, because in this the first elements chemical property is similar to the eighth element chemical property if they are arranged horizontally. So it is known as law of octave student, and it is also known as musical melody of octave. Like the sa, re, ga, ma. Like if we start from sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. Then again we get sa, student. Like this, if we start from hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, then again we get the fluorine, and after the fluorine there is again ray, it is sodium. So sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa, pa, dha, ni, sa. So it is about the musical melody or law of musical melody, student. Now we come on the third attempt, and it is known as Mendeleev, and it was given by a Russian chemist, student. This classification was given by Russian chemist Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev, and he arranged the elements according to the increasing order of their atomic masses, student. And with this he also gave the one law that is known as Mendeleev's periodic law. Mendeleev's periodic law, student. According to this, the physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic masses, and it is known as Mendeleev's periodic law. In the Mendeleev's periodic table, he arranged the 63 elements, student, and those 63 elements have the 8 groups and 6 periods. 8 groups and 6 periods, and they are arranged according to their atomic masses, means increasing order of atomic masses. After this, after the Mendeleev's periodic table, there is modern periodic table was given, student. Modern periodic table base was founded by the different scientists, but the credit was gone to a great scientist, Henry Moseley, and he also gave one law, student, that is known as modern periodic law. And in this modern periodic law, the physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. And in this, the modern periodic table, there are 18 groups and 7 periods, student. There are how many groups? 18 groups and 7 periods, and around 118 elements are arranged in the modern periodic table. And student, in this modern periodic table, the elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic numbers. So it is about the general introduction of the 4 major attempts related to periodical classification. Now one by one we will discuss these all attempts in detail. So thank you very much and have a nice day.